Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel because I share a lot of details and updates around the AI and the AI agents. So let us get started with today's topic where I will be sharing with you the basics of AI agents. So, what are AI agents? I'll tell you in layman terms. So, let us assume that you have a team. You're working in a team where there are different people working, right? There you can have a manager or you yourself are a manager. In an organization, you're working in XYZ company. So let us assume that you are the manager and there will be different roles which will be working under the manager. So there will be a salesperson, there will be a customer support, there can be a marketing person, a designer, and along with that, there will be one more person or the employee with a specific role which will be working under the manager, which is the AI agent. So, the AI agent is nothing but the digital worker who takes the instructions and perform specific actions. And it will be having a specific role. For example, it can take the salesperson role or it can take the customer support role or any other role, whatever you wish to. And the thing is, you have to train it as per the role that you are giving it. You have to keep on training it until it works perfectly. And since it works as an employee, like you have to train an employee whenever he or she joins the organization, likewise, you have to train the AI agent also. It's not that it will work perfectly at first go. Even though you train it, it might not work properly, perfectly at one go. So you need to keep on testing it and improve over time and keep on improving the instructions as well so that it improves and works better and better each day. So that is the basic of what the AI agent is. Now, how does it do what it do, right? So what is the architecture of AI agent? As you know, digital worker with no emotions. So the architecture of AI agent is the agent will be in the center and there will be some input that will come into the agent and there will be some output. So input can be in the form of chat, audio, video, WhatsApp message, Telegram message or anything. And the output will be also in the form of audio, video, text, anything, whatever you wish to. Now there will be a brain in the AI agent. Like we as human beings, how do we work? We have our brain. That is how we work. Same way, AI agent also needs a brain, which is LLM, which is large language model. So there are different LLMs which are available in the market. So starting with ChatGPT, which is the most popular one, then we have Claude, we have Google Gemini, and many others. So that has been all these models have been trained with a huge data set. That is why it is called large language model and it forms the brain of the AI agent. Okay. Now there will be a lot of instructions that you give to the agent so that it works like an agent. You give the instructions for a specific role. Let's say you want it to behave as a digital marketer. You or maybe social media marketer. You want to create social media content for creating your personal brand. So you have to give the instructions based on what you want to do. You have to give the instructions around the social media content creation. And once it gets trained with that, you can even choose a specific social media, for example, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. You can make it work for a specific social media also. So now these are the instructions that you give. Those will be in the form of system prompt. And now there is one differentiating factor between the AI agent and the ChatGPT, which makes this an AI agent, and that is the tool. So, how do we automate the things? How the AI agent would be able to work as a digital employee, as an employee who do not have any emotions? It has to do some automations. That is how it will be able to work as an independent employee. And how it does that? It has the tools connected to it. So that is the differentiating factor. If you go to ChatGPT and ask there that you want to create a content for your LinkedIn and on this topic based on your persona. it will give you a very good content. However, it will not be able to post it on your LinkedIn profile. If you ask it to post using ChatGPT, it won't be able to post. That's what the difference is. If you create an agent where you integrate the ChatGPT, you integrate the tools, you give the input that this is the topic I want to create the content for my LinkedIn, and you give the instructions that, yeah, it has to follow this format, it has to have 4 paragraphs, it has to be having a story format. So all of that you have to instruct it with, and based on that it will actually create a post, and it will also post it. It can post it on daily basis on LinkedIn, or maybe on alternate basis. You have to define that in this agent, and that's how you can automate your work. And this is just one example. You can automate anything, whatever is repetitive. So that is what is the AI agent. I hope it makes sense. In the coming videos, I will also share few more insights about the AI agents and how do we create the AI agent, your first AI agent. I will be sharing that also. So stay tuned for that. I hope this added value. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.